Hi, it's Heidi with Nest Pretty, and welcome to my wardrobe. It is my typical day to come in here and share with you what's new and fantastic in the world of Nest Pretty. So, we are 1 week away from September, which actually means a whole nother 10-piece wardrobe. And I feel like I just got this one tweaked. I'm almost there, but it'll give me plenty of time to think about it until the next year rolls around. So, what I'm doing tonight is I purchased this canvas bag from the Container Store, and I'm going to put in there my 10-piece wardrobe from springtime. So I have one for winter, I have one for spring, and then next week I will make one for summer as we move into the next season, which is September, October, November, and I'm calling that the fall season in Florida. So the first thing I'm going to do is look at what the average highs and lows are for those 3 months. I'm going to look at the precipitation, and then I'm going to pick my 10 pieces based on that. And what I find that I do during the 3 months is if I see any holes, I make a note of it. I have a running shopping list of things I need to get in order to make that 10-piece wardrobe spot on. So this is what I do know about a 10-piece wardrobe. It eliminates all the mental chatter about getting dressed. It's a pleasure to get dressed. There's no frustration. There is no angst. There is no overwhelm. You have a core wardrobe to choose from, and it is a pleasure to get dressed. So as I've been on this journey now for 3/4 of a year, I feel fantastic about it. It's like the whole next level. I know I've been doing a capsule wardrobe for some time, but having only 10 pieces hang in my closet is just another step, and it is a breath of fresh air. I cannot recommend it enough. If you are like, well, yeah, I'd like to try that, but I get it. I totally get it. Because I first read this concept years ago, probably at least like 7 years ago. And I thought, that's nice. And I just kept it in the back of my mind. And as I honed my capsule wardrobe, I still had it in the back of my mind, like, can we take this a step further? So sometimes we have goals that we just have sitting there in the back of our minds. They're not hurting anybody, but it is just a little tug maybe that you have that you'd like to try something. But it's just, needing the time, the space, the energy to do it. So I think last week I said, hey, if you want to try it, just try it. Pretend like you're going to Italy for 10 days and pack 10 pieces as if you were going there. And you know that when you put in the work to pack for a fantastic trip, the whole time you're on the trip, you're not thinking about your clothes. You're thinking about what you're doing for that day. You're thinking about how beautiful it is. You're thinking about your friends and how much fun you're having spending time together. So you can just add that whole element of fantasticness to your life every single day by implementing a 10-piece wardrobe. So here's the thing about a 10-piece wardrobe. It really makes you pause and show a lot of appreciation for the clothes that you do have. You really need to care for them carefully. And where I'm at right now is I need to do some ironing so that I'm ready to get dressed in the morning. And when you're wearing clothes on a regular basis like this, it also makes you pause and just kind of see, is there any repairs that need to be done? Have I stained anything? Do I need to spend some time maybe repairing or altering or taking care of stains? Things like that. So, but I really find a lot of joy in it because this is my 10-piece wardrobe. And I gotta be ready for tomorrow. So this is Heidi with Nest Pretty. If you are watching me on YouTube, I highly recommend that you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification thing. That way you know when a new video goes live. I do 3 videos a week where I talk about Nest Pretty, which is all about making small choices every day that adds up to a beautiful life. I hope you have a fantastic evening.